This here's Jed. And this here's Jethro. We got us here a load of building materials and recycled material. You know, $20 would take the whole darn truckload. There's a lot of good stuff in there. This is Jed and Jethro, recycling and building materials. Y'all come and get them now, you hear me? That ain't no skimpy load, that's a good load on that truck. God darn it, I hate to get rid of it. I could make something real good out of that. All green, you know. Ain't no plastics and junk in there. Oh well, I'll get rid of it. $20, take the whole load. I'm telling you now, that is good stuff there. And that right there's a darn good truck too. Hell, look at them tires. Them's good tires. Little damage on the cab. That's a good load right there. Come and get it. $20, take the whole load.